Good morning from San Jose, and here's something interesting that I found in California already, is that there are stoplights in order to get onto the highway, which I personally think aren't a bad idea. And here's another cool thing I noticed about California highways, is they have those little things up there that show you about and how many minutes you're going to get to your location. So here I am in Los Gatos Cafe, and I just found this really huge shrimp omelet with shrimp from the Bay Area, so I think that's super cool. Look where I am. There is Netflix headquarters in Flower County, California. Right now I'm in Silicon Valley, and I am walking towards the Netflix sign at Netflix's headquarters. So here's their actual building right here.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
In 1,000 feet, use the left lane to turn left onto Mariani Avenue. Turn left onto Infinite Loop.
Microsoft. So here I am at the Google headquarters in what's the name of this place?
Mountain View, I think.
In Mountain View, California. Hello, here I am in Mountain View, California, I believe, and I'm at Google headquarters, and so I'm just gonna see if there's anything to do right now here in Google headquarters. If you ask me, it looks pretty empty, probably since California recently reopened after their harsh lockdowns during COVID. Whoa. So here we are in Charleston Park, right next to Google headquarters. So what is up? I am at the Apple mothership, and I'm so excited to go in. So I just visited the Apple mothership, and they didn't have the shirt that I thought they had, so I got this Apple shirt instead, which is an emoji mind blown t-shirt, and on the back of it it says something like, I visited the mothership and my mind was blown. So here I am at Stanford University in Palo Alto, California. And yeah, it's just really cool to see this very large university campus, which is probably one of the most prestigious universities in America, so yeah. You see that fog out there? Well, where I am right now, it's very sunny, so I'm trying to figure out why is it sunny where I am and why is it foggy out there. I guess I'll find out when I get there. So now I'm getting even closer to the fog, and it's just so fascinating. It's even more fascinating the closer I get there. There it is, YouTube's headquarters. So I don't know if you can see all the way over there, but there's a Pakistani Indian restaurant and some Chinese places as well. So what you're looking at right now is downtown San Francisco.
Willow Street,
Oh
then turn left onto Eddy Street.
So one cool thing about San Francisco is how hilly it is. It's something that really stands out to me since that's very different from where I'm from. Look at that bridge right there. Looks like we're officially in
Turn
Chinatown.
right onto Stockton Street.
Look
In
how
600
steep
feet,
this hill
turn
is.
right onto Sacramento Street. Continue for half a mile. In a quarter mile, turn right onto Larkin Street.
Guy's taking his life in his hands.
Yep.
Oh man, these streets are so steep.
Yeah, it's amazing how steep these streets are.
Feet,
It
turn
is
right
so
onto
incredible
Chestnut
how
Street.
steep these streets are up here. Okay, so we're gonna go down Lombard Street
Head
now.
northeast on
The
Lombard
most
Street
crooked
toward Montclair Terrace, then turn right to
street
stay on
in the
Lombard
world,
Street.
they say. Go extra slow.
You know,
No stopping at any time. That's what that sign says.
oh, this is cool.
Turn right to stay on Lombard Street, then turn left onto Leavenworth Street.
I love that view of the city, though.
Gorgeous. I wouldn't want to do this in the snow.
Oh no.
Or for that matter, I wouldn't want to do it when it's pouring down rain.
Who would? In their right mind.
Turn left onto Leavenworth Street.
Sidewalks are cool too.
Yep. So, we made it alive.
Turn right onto Chestnut Street.
See that out there? That is Alcatraz Island, which is a famous prison. There it is, the legendary Golden Gate Bridge. What you're looking at right now are the houses right across the road from all the sailboats in this marina here. And right next to the Golden Gate Bridge. As you can see, there are a lot of
In 1.5 miles,
these
take the Vista Point exit.
fences right here on the bridge because this used to be a very popular place for people to commit suicide. It's sad, but I just thought that'd be interesting and worth noting. It sure is windy up here. Moon Bay.
Yeah.
Wow. Look out there. What do you know? It finally cleared out. So beautiful with the sun right now. So we are about to have dinner. Here we have, what's this?
Kung Pao chicken.
Kung Pao chicken and chow mein shrimp, and I can't wait to eat it. Okay, so now I'm gonna open the fortune cookie. Someone from your past has returned to steal your heart. Learn Chinese zodiac. Pig. Jewel.